Hey Day Stars, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hi, hola, welcome to the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, a big hug and lots of love to you. Thank you for coming back. And in this channel, you can see all product reviews and the cost of it, if I recommend it or not, and blah blah blah. On my Instagram, you can see all the crazy stuff of dance, reels, fashion, and name it, and you can see it. So I do recommend you guys subscribe to follow all the craziness and join the tribe. So today's video is going to be a product review of an organic brand called Vijaya Herbals. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today's brand is going to be a very special brand because I adore this brand personally for many reasons. 1, it is organic. 2, it is made in India. 3, it is a female CEO. And 4, it's from my city. So I can keep naming a lot of things why I love this brand, but apart from these reasons, I really love their products and not a single product has disappointed me so far. So this is kind of a spoiler alert for you guys. I'm going to go through every single product that was sent to me along with their details. The box comes with these, little tiny little paper which says like if you can provide a picture review or review and you can get discounts, which is a pretty cool thing. And this is a thank you letter. First, I'm going to start off with their hair care range. That is, it's called Lush. It has Lush shampoo, Lush conditioner, and also they have given me a hair serum. This one is antioxidant rich. The primary ingredients are mulberry, you have calendula, which is great for hydration, and you have Indian gooseberry, and so on and so forth. There are hardly any chemicals in this. The pros of the shampoo and conditioner are, first, it's a smell that reminds me of my childhood shampoo, some shampoo that I don't really recall the name, but the minute I put it on, I was like, oh my goodness, I know this smell. This reminds me of my childhood shampoo, and it was so nostalgic. It's very mild, it does not irritate you, and I really love the smell. The second one is lathers pretty well, and it does not strip away the hydration or moisture from your scalp. That is really good. Even the hair does not feel frizzy afterwards. The third one is it is cruelty free, paraben and sulfate free, and it has all natural ingredients. So the ingredients is a huge plus for me. And the fourth one, as it says, it's nutrient dense. My hair did feel very soft, it felt very lustrous and healthy. I have a lot of split ends, but after this wash and conditioner, they were not visible at all, and I think that's a huge plus for me. This is cost efficient and it's still great. And for 200 ml, the shampoo is for 499 rupees and the conditioner is for 479 rupees, and I think as a combo this works great. So those were the pros, and the cons are, I don't really have a lot of cons. I just noticed one thing, which is that it does not give me a lot of volume or density. It does show me lustrous and healthy hair and no split ends, but it does not give me like crazy volume. That will not stop me from using this.
Next is a hair serum of 15 ml.
Pros, I'm not usually a hair serum person because it flattens my hair. Contrary, this one is something that I tend to use this. It does not feel very sticky, or it does not weigh my hair down. Every time I have used it, I did feel my hair was even more smoother and it was shinier. So that's another pro. And the con is I don't see the ingredients of this and the cost of it, and the smell can be on the stronger side. I don't find it strong, but there could be people who are kind of cannot take strong smells, so just be aware of it. It's not a blocker. This is an amazing serum. It's very lightweight, doesn't weigh your hair down. This one gets a thumbs up. Moving on, this is something I was really excited to see their Instagram page and used to see all these reviews, because I've used a razor, I'm yet to use my epilator, I've tried waxing, I've tried everything, and this is something which was so unique to me, and I have not seen a waxing powder, and this actually got me really pumped up when she said she's sending me this. The product per se, what you have to do is you just have to mix as much as you want powder and water or rose water, and just apply a thick layer on your skin. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wipe it off with a damp cloth, and that's about it. So the pros of this is that it's completely organic. It's quite wonderful to know that however we have a lot of items in the nature as well, which is a natural hair remover. So I found that really cool. Pros of this, for just a 100-gram packet, it's just 349 rupees, but then it comes for more than a whole session. So if you go to a parlor, it might cost you like about 600 to 1,500. So this is much more economical thing, because you can get more than one waxing session at home at a fraction of cost. I was able to do full legs, full arms, underarms, and the bikini line, and it was still good. I still have so much powder left, so which means, you know, I can still go for 2 full rounds of waxing. But as opposed to 3,000, I'm just spending like 349 rupees. Like, you know, this is amazing. It's almost 2 weeks and the growth, and I don't feel it pricky. There are 2 cons, I would say. One of the cons is that, you know, you might need quite a lot of time in hand to get this done, because you need to apply this and wait for at least 20 minutes, and then you will have to remove it for face. I think you just need 5 minutes. You need additional 20 minutes to wipe it off. The entire process takes about 40 minutes to 1 hour. So on the days where you are not in a hurry, it's like a huge plus even then. Second one is, it's not very effective on bikini line or anywhere your hair is quite thick. That is one thing to keep in mind, but otherwise this is like a huge thumbs up. Moving on, we have this cute little lip balm. It's called Lip Lock. I find the name very cute. I got the strawberry flavor, and it's a 10-gram cute bottle. I really love the packaging. It's quite elegant and luxurious, and this is how it looks like. But does smell just like strawberry. I have to say, I used to use Laneige lip sleeping mask every single night. Petroleum jelly started reacting around my lips, and I have switched to this like even during the day, during the night, anytime I use this. You know, it's super light, it's not petroleum jelly, so I'm not going to be allergic to it. So the pros of this is that it's very lightweight, it does not have petroleum jelly, and it works well just without any lipstick, or you know, just as a lip balm, or it can work as a base for your lipstick or a lip gloss. So I haven't seen any con in this, so I don't really have anything negative to speak about this. In fact, even the price point is pretty cheap. It is 299 rupees for a 10 gram, and you know, I've been using it every single day, and yet the quantity is like almost the same. So you know, this was going to be coming quite handy for a long time. Moving on, we have this Crystal Peppermint Epsom salt. I really love this. You know, if you have sore feet, or if your feet is generally tired, or you know, if you have swelling, it's usually good if you dip your legs in hot water with Epsom salt. So this is Epsom salt, but with some essential oil, vitamin E, petals, etc. Kind of tend to sit at desk for quite a long time, and you know, I don't get a lot of breaks to stand up and walk. During that time, your feet tends to swell up quite often if you don't get that enough, you know, blood running through your legs. And I find this so calming. The pros is that it's a clean ingredient foot spa. The price point again is great. It's just 299 rupees for 200 grams. So this should last you quite about 5 to 6 times, I would say. I intend to not just soak my feet, I even soak my calves. I ended up using like 5 to 6 spoons. The pros, I would still say, it's like, you know, you have, it's great smell, it has all essential oils, and it's very calming and relaxing. So second is the price point is great. You know, I don't have any cons for this. I haven't seen any sort of allergy. It's just great. It's just really great.
Brings me to end of part 1.
The product review, I will link up their page, and I'll put all the product prices, and it's quite economical, affordable, and it gives you great results. The best is it's all organic. Until next time, where I come with other set of product reviews, please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell icon. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, shine bright.